Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a page border in Microsoft Word. So let's get right into it. Here's a Word document I want to add a border to. So I will head over to the Design tab. In the Page Background group, I will click on an option labeled Page Borders. In the Borders and Shading window that pops up, switch to the Page Border tab. Here you have several options to customize your border. With the Style option, we can choose from a variety of line styles. Let me select one. Then we can pick a color for our border. We can also decide how thick you want the border to be. And for a more decorative look, you select an artistic style from the art list. Once you have selected your style, color, width and art, look at the preview window to see how it will look on your document. You can also specify which pages you want the border to apply to. I will stick to the default the whole document. After customizing your border, click OK to apply it to your document. And there you have it. A simple way to add a professional or decorative touch to your documents using page borders in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.